Hey friend, how you been? Oh, me, I'm good. Oh, what, this whole thing? Ah, please. I mean, if you must know, this is my latest wig from Luvmehair.com. And as the title says, this is the wig of my dreams. But before we get into all the details about this lovely sleigh, go ahead and watch this super beginner friendly step-by-step install. Now, you know, I always have to keep it all the way real with you guys. Now, as much as I love this hair and the construction of this wig, I was a little bit nervous making another purchase to this particular website, only because a couple years ago, I did purchase a wig, a colored wig, and it did not quite come how I expected it to look. And that's why to this day, every now and then I have to like be extra careful, or sometimes I'll just purchase 613 hair and color the hair myself. But I was just kind of browsing around like, you know what? Let me give this site another try and let me see, you know, what's new on there. I'm always hearing great things about their undetectable lace wigs in particular. And I just figured I would kind of click on that tab and just check out what the latest stuff on the website was. And there she was. I saw this glorious Afro kinky curly wig, and it's a part of their Undetectable lace wig collection. The wigs in that category are totally gorgeous. You've got your body waves, you've got your straight hair, but man, let me tell you something about kinky curly hair. It's so hard to find kinky curly hair that legitimately keeps its pattern after washing. after drying and after getting it wet. Let me tell you, I absolutely adore this texture. Even back when I was getting sew-ins, I love tight coily curls. I like anything that's going to mimic or model my natural hair when I'm not chopping it off all the time. And this immediately caught my eye. I was a little skeptical. I was like, okay, this might, the curl might hold for like maybe a few days, or, you know, let me give this a try. Let me give this a shot. So, you know, I'm always looking for great lace. And of course, I'm always looking for super affordable hair. Now, one of the really cool things about this website that I love so much is not just the fact that they have an undetectable lace category, but you could break the payment down. So that's exactly what I decided to do. And I used that installment plan to purchase this wig. I purchased it on, I want to say, a Thursday or a Wednesday, and it was literally at my house like 2-3 days later. So the shipping is incredible. And you know what? I think everybody deserves a second chance. I definitely would say people do deserve a second chance. I think the quality of the wigs, the construction of the wig definitely improved from my first time or my first order a couple years ago. And I mean, look at this thing, I'm telling you. And even when it starts to like dry up, it just looks, it still maintains that curl. It's so full, the curls are so bouncy and coily. I am absolutely in love with this wig. With all the rain that's been happening and all the humidity, I've been looking for a more low maintenance wig that I could keep a hold of. And you know what? I think I found it. I think I definitely found it. Now, I purchased this one in 20 inches, knowing that most curly wigs, like most natural human hair growing out of our scalps, shrinks with moisture and humidity. And I didn't want to bother going any longer or any shorter than that, just because I knew it would kind of shrink to the perfect length. I read some of the reviews on the website for this particular wig, and I know some ladies did go ahead and eventually clip it because it was too long for them, but this is just perfect for me. The only thing I might do once I start playing around with the wig is just kind of layer it a little bit and just play around with it. But to be honest with you, I'm keeping it this way. And yes, as you can see, I've been practicing my baby hairs. I'm getting there. Okay. And the really cool thing that I've realized about curly wigs, especially if you're a beginner and a beginner at baby hairs, you really don't have to do that much. And I pretty much laid this down with my Got To Be. I just took a little bit of this on my fingertips and just kind of wisped it through and just kind of swooped over through the sides of this wig. Now, it is an ear-to-ear frontal, as you could see in the video. My head is a little bit smaller than average. Peanut Head Gang, what's up? So I did just kind of like trim a little bit of the lace off the frontal to kind of fit around my ears properly. But other than that, one thing I did notice about the lace, you're used to seeing like most lace wigs coming out the pack with, you know, the lace down here, but this one was actually pretty short. So I did what I usually do by just going through and cutting the sections just to help me lay it down a little bit better. And this lace is super duper thin, okay? I didn't have to mess with it. I didn't really have to add any color to it at all. Like, I'm gonna come a little closer just so you can see it. And this wig, you know what? I'm gonna buy another one. I'm definitely gonna buy another one. So you know how this usually goes, all right? I'm gonna give you a couple more angles and you're gonna let me know what you think of this gorgeous wig in the comment section below. Would you pick this up? don't worry about it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the details in the description box if you are interested in picking this wig up, or some of the other really great wigs from their Undetectable lace category or section of their website. You know what? All right, Luvmehair. All right, you win this round. You got me. I'm a believer. I got you. I believe. Okay. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, clicking play, and just stopping by to kick it with me today. Before I let you go, you already know what to do. Before you get off this channel, make sure, if you're not already subscribed, to click that big red button. And if you already are subscribed, make sure to click that notification bell so you are aware and up to date on all of my latest tutorials, chit chats, and vlogs on this channel. See you soon.